Hi, this is Mara Vlasic, one of your instructional technology coaches. Today I'm going to show you how to add a Google form to your Canvas course. We can link this form or we can embed this form into our module. So I'm going to show you all the different ways that you can add a form to your Canvas course. The first thing I did was created a form. Once my form is finished, I'm going to click the Send button. And the first thing I'm going to do is get the URL to this form. This is the share link. So I clicked on this hyperlink icon, and then I'm going to click copy. Now I'm going to go into my Canvas course, and I want to add this form to this very first module. So I'm going to click the plus button to the right of the module, and I'm going to add an external URL. So if I click Add External URL, here is where I'm going to paste using Control V. I'm going to paste that share link to the form, and then I'm going to add the page name. So I'm going to call this Google Form Example. You might call it whatever your form is titled. And then I can either have this URL open inside the page, or I can click this box to have it load in a new tab. If your form isn't that long, I would suggest just having it be embedded inside your Canvas page so that students don't have to go to another page. And then I'm going to click Add Item. So what this is going to look like for the students and for the teacher, if I click on the Google Form title, here's the form right here. So it's embedding that form inside my Canvas page. I can also click on the title and it will open it in a new tab. So the students are filling out this form and then clicking submit. It won't have anything for them to submit or any sort of indication that they finished the form on the page itself. It will just be within that form page. So if I fill this out quickly, and then I scroll down and click submit, it will look the same for the students. So they'll see that their response has been recorded inside this form. So that's the first way to add a form to your Canvas course, is through that share link. I'm going to go back to module. The next way to share a form is just through a hyperlink that you include on a page or an assignment. So I'm going to show you what that looks like on our Week 2 overview. If I click on Week 2 overview in my Week 2 module, this will be an overview of my week, and I want to add a hyperlink to the form for students to fill out. So I'm going to show you what this looks like. I click Edit, and I'm going to add this for a Monday activity. So I'm going to add some text here. So I added some text under Monday. Please click on this link to complete our entrance task, which is a Google form. So now I'm going to go back to my form. I'm going to click that Send button again, and I'm going to click the hyperlink, and I'm going to copy that share link again. And now I'm going to go back to my Canvas course, and I'm going to highlight the text where I want to put the hyperlink. So I'm going to highlight this part. Please click on this link. Then I'm going to click the little hyperlink icon, and this is an external link. So this is a link outside of my course. In the text box, it says, please click on this link, because that's the text I highlighted. And then in the link, I'm going to use Control V to copy that hyperlink and click Done. So what this does is it creates a hyperlink on those words, please click on this link. I'm going to scroll down and click Save. And then when I click there, it will open up that form. So this is the second way to add a form to your course, is by creating a hyperlink where students will click on it. It will take them outside of their Canvas course directly to that form. The third way to add a form to your Canvas course is using the Embed Code. Using the Embed Code makes it look the nicest and the cleanest on your course. So I'm going to create a page in my module. So I'm going to add a page, and it's a new page, and I'm going to call this Google Form Embed Example. So you would call it whatever the form is or whatever the activity is that students are completing by filling out that form. And then I'm going to click Add Item, and I'm going to open that page, and it's a blank page, so I have to click Edit. And what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to embed the Google form in my text box here. So I'm going to go back to my form, And instead of using the share link, I'm going to use the embed code, which is the next icon. It's the two little carrots here. So this is the HTML code, and I'm going to click copy. And now I'm going to go back to my Google form. Right now I'm in the rich content editor, which is just the regular editor box. I need to go down here in the bottom right corner to that HTML code icon. So I'm going to click this little icon right here, and now I'm in the HTML editor. So I'm actually adding the code for this page. And I'm just going to click Control V to paste that embed code. If I click the little HTML code icon again, it's going to take me back to my regular editor, and I can see my Google form embedded in the Canvas page. So you can switch back and forth by clicking on that little icon to see the code, switch back, and see the editor. So here's my form. I'm going to scroll down and click Save. And the form is now embedded in my Canvas page. So it makes it a cleaner look where students can then just fill this out inside the page and click Submit. If you need any help with anything related to Google Apps or Google Forms, please reach out to your tech coach and we'd be happy to help. Thanks.